Hello students, my name is Vijaya and I welcome you all in my channel called as Simply Tricks. Now in this channel we are going to start with a new series called as C Programming by Examples. See, to learn every programming language we must do a practice, and that practice based on few concepts or few examples. If you solve n number of examples using that programming language, you will be master in that particular language. So we are going to see the C programming using such examples. Now I have divided the concepts of C programming in these 30 parts. See, basically in few universities, C programming is divided in two parts. One is basic C and one is advanced C. So if you see, first few concepts are based on the basic C, that is up to array or up to functions, and the next concepts are based on the advanced C. Okay, and if in few universities this C programming is there only for one semester. So entire C concepts I have divided, important concepts I have divided into 30 parts. If you see this 30 parts, okay, there can be more concepts also. Okay, but we are going to see important concepts, and that I have divided into 30 parts. What are that concepts now? So first of all, if you want to write basic C programming first or beginner C programming, then you must write the programs based on the expressions. And in this expression, we can involve few operators. So there are 3 to 4 important types of operators. First type is arithmetic type. So first few examples, minimum 10 examples we are going to see in each concept. So first type of examples we are going to see based on arithmetic operators. Second, we are going to see assignment operators. Then third, we are going to see ternary operators. After if else, we are going to see ternary operators. And then we are going to see bitwise operators in the next part, in the 24th part. Then we are going to see pre-increment, post-increment, then pre-decrement and post-decrement operators. So these are the few operators which we are going to study under the concept of C expressions. After that, we are going to learn decision making statements using if-else statements and switch case statements. After that, we are going to see simple loops. Okay, so these are the simple loops. Then these are the for loop, while loop, do while loop. We are going to study all these loops. Okay, and in every loop, we are going to learn at least 10 concepts or at least 10 programs. See, go-to statement is not considered as a loop statement in C programming directly, but yes, we can construct the program which will work, which will behave like a loop. So we are going to see few programs based on go-to statements in which we can construct the loop-like statements or the output which is based on loops. Then we are going to see how to write a loop inside another loop. So we are going to see few problem-solving concepts like mathematical problems we are going to solve using nested loops. And after that, we are going to solve some pattern-based programs like star pattern or alphabet pattern or number pattern or mixed of that or special symbols pattern. So that patterns we are going to learn again how to solve them using nested loops. So minimum 10 examples we will solve in this. Then we are going to learn array concept. In this case, we have divided this array concept in 3 parts. 1-dimensional, 2-dimensional, 3-dimensional. Then after that, we are going to see characters and strings. String is basically made up of characters, but individual characters we are going to see 10 programs based on this. Then group of characters, that is strings. We are going to see few programs based on strings as well as 2-dimensional strings or multiple strings or array of strings. So that also we are going to study in this using of course examples. Then pointers. We are going to learn pointers concept. All types of pointers based on all data types we are going to learn here. Then we are going to see functions. In functions, basically there are 3 types. One is user-defined functions, how to write user-defined functions, how to access built-in functions, how to use them in our programs, then how to write recursive functions. So that 3 concepts we are going to learn. In each case, we are going to learn minimum 10 programs. Then we are going to learn structures, unions. Okay, how to write the programs based on structures, how to write the programs based on unions. Minimum 10 examples we will be learning here. Then nested structures and unions. Then we are going to learn command line arguments. Then after that, we are going to learn bitwise operators. These operators we have seen. Okay. Then we are going to learn macros and nested macros. And in C programming, we can process files. Basically, there are two ways to process the file. One is text files and one is binary files. Of course, other than this also we can handle few types of files, but these are the important C concepts. So once you learn these 30 concepts, minimum 30 concepts I am saying, so you will be soon master in this if you consistently do these programs and if you do the programs in this pattern. So whenever you have some problem in C programming, just follow this pattern. Do n number of programs, at least 10 programs in every case. So if you follow this pattern, minimum 300 programs, 30 into 10, 300 problems you will be able to solve. If you want to be master, more than that, that means minimum 20 programs in each case or 30 programs in each case you must solve. So at least 1000 programs you must solve so as to become master in C. Of course, just by doing 1000 programs you will not be master, but 1000 different types of programs if you solve, definitely you will be going to the next level of C programming and you will be soon be master in this. Of course, you have to develop your logical power, thinking power, how to write the programs. This is not just to see the program and write the program and compile the program. You must develop your thinking ability also. So that's all for now. In the next video, we will be starting with the expressions, and first we are going to see arithmetic operators. So stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye.